Today is 3rd March 2026 and I'm going to Dubai Mall with my family. And it's a regular family outing and we are not scared. Not at all. Sadly, many people are spreading misinformation on social media and most of the fear mongering is actually coming from outside the UAE, especially from India. So it's time that I speak up too. Guys, I've been living in the UAE for over 5 years now, and let me say this clearly. I have never felt safer anywhere else in the world, and I mean it. I'm not saying this because I enjoy the business freedom here, I enjoy the low tax regime. I'm saying this because this country actually protects its people. And when I say people, I'm talking about both citizens and residents equally. Because as of today, 89% of the UAE's population is actually expatriates. In just the past few days, my respect for the UAE's leadership, its air forces, air defense system has actually deepened so much. While we were sleeping, these forces were actually working non-stop. We could all hear the sounds, of course, but those were of the interceptions. We all slept peacefully because somebody was protecting the skies. In fact, let's talk facts. Since 28th of February, when it all started, 174 ballistic missiles were launched, out of which 161 were intercepted and 13 fell into the sea. 689 drones were detected and 645 were successfully intercepted and 44 landed within the UAE. And also 8 cruise missiles were destroyed. Sadly, 3 people lost their lives and around 68 people injured, including Emiratis. And while all this was happening, the Ministry of Defense has consistently reminded us that the safety of citizens, residents, and also visitors is a top priority. I'm sure all of us in the UAE got such phone alerts. Not only this, the UAE government is covering flights and accommodation costs for people stuck due to cancellations. And yesterday, if you've seen the videos on social media, UAE President and Dubai Crown Prince even visited Dubai Mall. Why? Just to reassure people, just to say that you're safe. And what stood out to me even more was how the people of the UAE, the community is responding. The expat community and the local businesses, they're coming forward. They're opening their homes for the strangers who are stranded at the airports here. Hotels are offering free stays, restaurants are giving free meals. And our delivery riders, you can't forget them. They were out that night, 28th February, delivering food, water, and groceries. UAE proved it during COVID. UAE has proved it again now. So anybody who's sitting outside making jokes, creating that panic, just stop. Your family members are safe here. Tourists will return home safe because they are in a good and capable country. And those who think that now people will leave the UAE, etc. Guys, we chose this country because it gave us something many of us could not find elsewhere. And I mean it. Safety, opportunity, dignity, and the feeling of belongingness. Thank you, UAE. Long live the UAE, and may peace always protect its skies.